Welcome back, second graders. Here we are again at Number Corner with Mrs. Judd. We're going to be going over our calendar. We're going to be going over our class collection. We have a game to play today, and then we'll finish off by filling in some of the answers to our graph questions. Okay, you guys, let's get right into it. Today is Wednesday, so we get to turn over two cards. Another equation. A graph. Okay, so let's take a quick look at our two graphs. What do you guys notice about the graphs? Are there anything that's different about them? Good. This one is a picture graph because it uses pictures to show, and this one is a bar graph because we fill in a line and we end up making a bar. And we'll see more of those. But most of the time when you see a bar graph, the whole line is filled in. And so it makes a solid bar. And so we have a picture graph and a bar graph. Okay, so today is Wednesday, January 6th, 2021. Ooh, I did it 2 times so far. Okay, let's write our date. January 6th, 2021. The abbreviation for January in numbers is 1-6-21. The abbreviation in words for January is just JAN. Before in December, it was DEC. So we can abbreviate the months of the year, and we can put them in number form. Okay. Let's do our class collection. So today is the 6th, so I'm going to be putting 6 tiles to put up on our wall. Let's see how many I have. Oh, I got 6. Okay, so I'm going to put our reds together, blues together. Oh, look what happened, you guys. We got exactly half red. Pretty cool. Oh, I put them down here before. So, move over here. We have 3, 6. Just happen to have my blue first. And 3, 6. So up here, where'd my black one go? Oh, here it is. I get to write exactly half for red. And so I'm going to write my 3, 6. Oops, I better not do that. But that will equal, 3 plus 3 will equal 6. And oh, just remembered where I'm supposed to be writing it, you guys. Sorry. I'll work on this after a while because that's not quite working for me. Maybe we're going to have to put it on top of our graph. Okay, so let me rewrite this real quick. Add 3. 3 plus 3 and 3 plus 3. Good. I'll work on that before the next video, you guys. I think I need a bigger thumbtack. Okay, so now we get to play a game. We have been talking about different strategies. And some of the strategies we've been talking about are doubles facts. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 3 plus 3. We've also talked about doubles plus 1 or minus 1. We've talked about make 10s, add 10s, add 9s, and leftover. So if they don't fall into the first 5 strategies, then we will record them in leftover. So I have 2 decks of cards. We're going to take turns. I'll go first to show you how it's going to work. Let me grab my... Okay, so I'm going to turn over Ooh, an 8 and a 6. So they don't work in a doubles. They don't work for a doubles plus or minus. They don't work for a make 10 or add 10 or add 9. So I'm going to have to put my 8 plus 6 in my leftover. Okay, now it's your turn. 7. Hey, look, you guys. I'm going to get a different color so we can tell who's who. You guys got 7 plus 7. Lucky you guys. Okay, my turn. 9. Hey, I got a double. Ooh. Sorry about my upside down writing, you guys. Okay. If we fill in this one, if you guys get another and I get another, then the game will be done. But what we're really trying to do is find something for each box. Ooh, I got a 7 and a 5. Nope, I have to bring mine down here. Okay, let's see what you guys have. A 6 and a 9. Well, we can do the add 9s. 9 plus 6 equals 15. Okay, my turn. 5 plus 8. Boy, I am not helping in this game at all. Your turn, so you guys get a 5. Ooh, a doubles. Good job, you guys. So I think I took one extra turn. So I'm going to get you guys caught up. So it's your turn again. 9 and 7. Ooh, you guys get another 9. 9 plus 7, what does it equal, you guys? Good, 16. Okay, let's do a couple more. 8. 8. Is that my turn or my turn? Okay. Whew. I finally. Well, I guess we both have gotten. Okay, your turn. Ooh, 10 and 6. 16. We're going to make it the add 10s. So 10 plus 6. And you guys have these decks of cards at home, so you can play this game. Okay, so it's my turn. A 10 and a 5. I get to add a piece. Okay, hopefully we get to do a make 10 or a doubles plus or minus. Your turn. 7, 4. Nope. Okay. Your turn. 10 and 7. Okay. I'm going to do my turn one last time and your turn one last time, and then we'll move on. 8 and 9. Ooh. Add 9s. Oh, but guess what, you guys? Just as I wrote that, I realized it is a doubles minus 1, because I want to do the 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18, minus 1 is 17. So I did a doubles minus 1. Okay, your turn. Let's see if we can get a make 10. Ooh, 6. Woohoo, you guys! That was pretty exciting. Oops, I did the wrong color, but we have 6 plus 4. We did it. We filled in each box. Nice job, you guys. So it's just another way to keep reminding ourselves of all the different strategies. I was even in the middle of thinking it was an add 9, but it worked as a plus or minus. So it's just another way to keep you guys on your toes and reminding yourselves of all your strategies. Okay, our last thing we get to do today, you guys, is let's take care of the first graph. So I have a whole bunch of questions I'm going to ask you guys. What does this graph represent? What do you guys see on this graph? Cats and dogs. Dogs and cats. Sorry. Dogs and cats. So I Oh, what is it in, is it in bar or pitcher? It's definitely in pitcher. Does it tell how many students took the survey? It kind of tells us how many students took the survey because the word students is here and we have numbers here and there was only 2 choices. So it does tell us how many students took the survey. Does it tell us what the question was asked? So if we just look at the graph, and if you're just looking at the graph, does it tell us the question? Nope, it just gives us the results. Can we guess at the question? Sure, we can guess that it had something to do with dogs and cats. So I thought that the question would be, would you rather have a cat or a dog as a pet? I think that's a pretty good question to relate to our graph. This is a picture graph. We decided that what it was. Each animal stands for 1 student. Later on in the month, we're going to get into how graphs can mean, each box can mean more than 1, but we'll get into that later. So right now, each animal means 1. How many students participated in our survey? The way we can tell is when we count the dogs, it says 6 up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there were 6 dogs, 1, 2, 3, 4 cats. So 10 students took this survey. How many more students chose dogs than cats? So 6 minus 4 equals 2. You can also write it as 4 plus 2 equals 6 to answer that question. So, does it have a title? It has a place for a title, but it doesn't have a title. So we're going to put the title of Choices of Pets. Okay, now when you look at this, does it help to answer some of these? So we decided, look, 6 plus 4 equals 10. So it did. I'm not going to write on these cards. Our next one is 10 minus 6, which would equal 4. It would tell us that 10 students took the survey, 6 chose dogs, how many were cats? This one, 4 people chose cats, how many people chose dogs? And look, here's the equation of how many more students chose dogs than cats. 6 total dogs minus 4 people that chose cats are 2. So these do follow the graph. So we will be answering those questions, and I can write those down quickly down here. So our first one was, we have the 6 plus 4. And then we have 10 minus 6 equals 4. Put a box because that was. And 4 plus 1 equals 10. And so that was 6. And we have our 6 minus 4 equals 2. So we have looked at our graph. We've given it a title. We've decided that it's picture. We've answered all of the questions. So we are done for today. So my 2 questions today are, tell your teacher what was one strategy in our game. Either doubles plus or minus 1, make 10s, add 10s, add 9, or the leftover. But I want you guys to concentrate on the first 5. So tell your teacher one strategy of that game. And then I want you to tell the teacher what title we gave our graph today. And we gave our graph Choices of Pets. Okay, so a strategy and choices of pets are the answers for today. Okay, you guys, I will see you on Friday. Bye, second graders.